2 weeks ago, I started a game dev channel. Today, I'm pivoting. Here is my honest breakdown. Why game dev didn't work? The real reasons. There were 3 things that killed it for me, and I want to be straight about all of them. First, the math. 2D game dev has a level of math I didn't expect. Vectors, physics, collision systems. I could learn it, but the further I got into the project, the harder it was getting, and I could see where it was heading. That's not a wall I wanted to keep running at. Second, I was looking at everything I still needed to build. Art, animations, UI, sound effects, music, all of it, as one person. Game dev as a solo developer is genuinely one of the hardest creative challenges that exists. I have huge respect for people who ship, but I had to be honest with myself about what I was signing up for. Third, the market. Games are brutally saturated. Even great games don't get found. I knew that going in, but when you're already struggling with other 2 things, the math hits differently. So I stopped, and I started thinking about what I actually use every day. I picked up an app called HabitKit, simple habit tracker. I liked it, but I kept wanting something it didn't have. A reward system. Not a badge, not a streak counter, something with actual progression, something that felt like a game. I've been gamer my whole life. That's the lens I see everything through. And I thought, why isn't there a habit tracker built for people like me? I mean, there are a lot, but still not up to my taste. That's the app I'm building. Now, what stays the same? No vibe coding, no shortcuts, same channel, different project. I will be using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose to build an Android app. The game is gone, the engineering standards aren't. Subscribe and come build this with me. The journey starts now.